Hello, David Bradley from the box room here. Oh, I'm sure that monitor just looks lovely there. Well, it won't look like that for long. I'm going to take a cartridge, which is Frogger. I'm going to put it in the 64. I'm going to turn it on. And then I find if I reach up here and I push on, there we go, that kind of sorts things out. And the whole reason I'm here with this right now is to see if this Frankenstein joystick is indeed functional. It sounds like it should be, but who knows? Now, I don't know which. Ugh. Why do cables always have to be? Sure. Anyway, I don't know which port I'm supposed to go in. Actually, you know what? It has a metal outside here, so I think I'm going to turn it off and turn it on. And I don't know. Okay, I pressed the fire button and paused. Okay, I don't think it's into the game. That's weird that it would pause it. Perhaps I'm in the wrong port. Let's try this port. I don't even know. Oh. Okay. Well, so far, I see that nothing is happening. I pressed F1 to start it. I'm going to turn it off because it has a metal housing around here, and I don't want to short things out. It would be tragic. Oh, it's this joystick, and it's Frankenstein. Oh, it is working. So now I just got to concentrate on the game, which is not always easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I made it over here. What's that? What was that thing? Oh no. Okay, those turtles are going to go up. What happened? What did I do? I don't know what I did. Okay. Woohoo! I made it. All right. Ah! I jumped off. Oh well. Oh well. So the joystick, I'm going left and right. Oh, I forget what the... Oh, fire does pause. Cool. Okay. Well, that's a nice thing to know, because then I can think about things. I can think about it for a moment. Look at that. I didn't realize that. Anyway, this is not... Do I start up again? No? Okay. All right. It is not the most comfortable of joysticks, but it is something. All right. I'm not sure if I can... Ah! What did I do? Okay. Maybe I can hold this better. See? Frankenstein. It's mammoth. Okay. Now, I don't know when these guys are going to drop. Ah! I jumped off the edge. Ah! I wanted to get that other frog on the thing, and I lost my place. Okay. I can go right across. Ah! It bounced. Oh, okay. You know what? I took my hand off, and the joystick had a bounce when I let go of it, and it... Okay, that's good. Woohoo! Now, of course, the tough one, I suppose, is going to be getting in that upper corner thing there. All right, I'm looking for my spot. There's my spot. Ah, I tried, but I failed. Oh well, that's probably the best I've done at Frogger in a long time. And more importantly, I got to see what's up with this thing. That works. What's it say on the other end? Oh, I can't even read it. Caution. Before connecting to circuit under test, be sure switch is in short position. Anyway, as I say, I don't know the history of this, but it's something. It is. Just gotta watch. You don't. It'll. Well, as I found, it bounced when I let go. Should I try one more? Maybe I should. Hey, it bounced. Ah, I lost a frog. It bounced on me. I gotta keep my. Okay, gotta watch that. Ah, stupid. It's all coming back to me now. This is why I didn't play a whole lot of games. Because I wasn't really good at it. Hey, it bounced. It bounced. Oh, I know. You know what's happening. I'm holding it on an angle. Okay. Okay. I'm going to leave it sitting down. So the gravity of the handle is what was making it, besides the fact I probably let go of it, it was the gravity of the situation. What's that thing? Oh, it's a fly. Oh, I got more. Okay, now I've already lost 2 guys. I don't know how many I've left. But anyway, so the joystick must stay down or be very... Ah, it bounced on me again. Okay, I've got to be careful. You can't let it... Ah! Oh. Don't push on it when you're not paying attention either. Anyway, so maybe this is... Yeah, you push and you let go. You can't do that. You gotta keep holding the stick. Maybe that's why this was a failed prototype. I think more likely a class project. All right. One more time. Well, I'm not going to get the fly, but I didn't bounce it. And of course, I can always pause the game. That's a beautiful thing. All right, time to go. Oh, I cut. I turned. Yeah, that didn't go well. Okay. I bounced it again. Oh. All right, how can I keep from doing that? That. Okay. Gotta keep my hand on it. Gotta be very careful. Okay. Look for the opening. I've got 4 frogs. I don't think I've ever had 4 frogs before. Now the trouble is getting this one. That. I guess it's limited as to how far you can go. And you know what? I'm afraid if I start diddling around, I'm going to end up bouncing myself up. What is that? Ah! The thing went down just as I jumped. Okay. Get on. Now. I bet you. Remember, I didn't play a whole lot of games. Not that I couldn't have. But I think that's the first time I've ever done You know, I've noticed something here. Everything's going a whole lot faster. Oh my word. Boom. Oh, I got one left. One more frog. Yeah, that kind of bounced sideways on me. Okay, I'm across. Now, where are these guys going to go down? Oh, well, there's nothing there to jump on. Oh, well, I got 4,050. I would bet that is my highest score of all time on Frogger. And I do know that the Frankenstein joystick works. Let me look down here for a second. Oh, that's not what I was looking for. There was some other stuff. Weird stuff. I don't think I can find. It's all in the boxes to be tested. It was the kind of paddle, maybe joystick combination things. But it didn't have a stick. It had individual buttons. Anyway, I'll find it at some point. So, it works. It has its issues. You got to keep your hand on. Don't let it bounce. Like, you got to go forward and not let it go, because it will. Well, that was exciting. Oh. Well, thanks for being here. I think I will next soak this and see if it can be saved. And then maybe go back to the basement and see what else there is that needs rescuing. Certainly some things will need to be repacked and other things just gone. And this disc needs to be washed in a bad way. Look at that slime. Slime, I tell you. But who knows? Maybe it can be saved. Maybe. The thing will be, I mean, I guess I gotta, I'm sure I have some other discs around that I can sacrifice the sleeves for. Somewhere. I've got discs. I guess I just gotta find some that are in good shape, but, oh, well, here, like, for example, this disc here. I formatted it. It's probably never been used except earlier today. Maybe it would be one. Maybe formatted IBM. Yeah. Double-sided, double density. Anyway, I will work that out. So, thanks for coming. We'll see you again. We'll see what other things we get into here. There's always something cooking. Bye for now.